Tomato sauce is a staple in kitchens around the world, used in everything from pasta dishes to pizzas. But have you ever wondered how it's made? The process starts with harvesting ripe, red tomatoes, usually from large commercial farms. These tomatoes are carefully picked, often using machinery, to ensure that they are at their peak of ripeness, since only the best tomatoes will result in the best sauce. Once harvested, the tomatoes are transported to a processing facility where they are cleaned thoroughly to remove any dirt, leaves, or other debris. After cleaning, the tomatoes are sent through a machine that crushes them into a smooth pulp, separating the seeds and skins. This step helps achieve the perfect texture for a sauce that's smooth yet still flavorful. At this point, the pulp is heated to reduce its water content and concentrate its natural flavors. This is when the first stage of cooking begins. The heat helps break down the tomatoes' natural sugars, which adds depth and sweetness to the sauce. During this stage, the sauce is also checked for consistency and adjusted to meet the desired thickness. Now comes the seasoning. At this stage, various spices and herbs are added to give the tomato sauce its distinctive taste. Common ingredients include garlic, onion, basil, oregano, and sometimes a dash of sugar to balance out the acidity of the tomatoes. These are mixed in carefully to ensure the flavor is well distributed throughout the sauce. Once the sauce reaches the right consistency and flavor profile, it's pasteurized to kill any harmful bacteria and extend its shelf life. Pasteurization involves heating the sauce to a high temperature for a specific amount of time, then cooling it quickly to lock in freshness. After pasteurization, the tomato sauce is ready to be packaged. It's sent through a filling machine where it's poured into jars or cans, sealed tightly, and then sterilized once again to ensure everything remains safe and fresh. The containers are labeled and sent off to stores where they will end up on shelves ready for consumers.